Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get votes and win style showdown competitions in Roblox. So if you want to dominate style showdown and get more votes in Dress to Impress, in this guide, I'll show you the best tips and tricks to boost your chances of winning every competitions. So here, first let's just go to the style showdown. Okay, now I'm in the waiting room of the Style Showdown. So the first tip that I'm going to tell you is to find the immunity idol around the waiting room here. So you can just look around in every corner to find the immunity idol that you can pick up and will help you to head to the finale in the Style Showdown. If you don't see one in here, you can always look for one or more in the dress up area. So let's just head to the competition to find the immunity idol. So you can just head to the competitions here and just wait. Okay, so once you enter the dress up area in the Style Showdown, you can again look around on every corner for the immunity idol that will help you win the competitions. And the second tips is to make a good outfits. It seems obvious, but of course it will help you. It will help people to vote for you as much as possible. So make good outfits that match with the theme. So in this case, the airport outfit. You can see people give their best to match with the theme and everything. And after you can also convince people to vote you in here. You can make good outfits, and you can also show good pose while in walking like this. And you can also compliment others' outfits. And the last one here, when in voting, you can also try to just vote for the worst outfit so that you less like to get eliminated because the best one not get much vote. So that's pretty much all. I hope these tips will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!